Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and today I'm going to do a mini Amazon haul for you. I don't know about you, but I love to shop on Amazon, and now that I'm in Hawaii, Amazon is even more important to me, although Prime is not really Prime anymore. So anyways, let's get into the video. If you want to see what I got from Amazon, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that I bought off Amazon is actually a repurchase. If you watched my shave my face video, I use these razors here, and they're by Tinkle, and they're eyebrow razors, but they work. I have used them to shave my eyebrows. But they're great for shaving your face, and they come in a 2-pack like this, and super duper affordable. I think they were like $4.99. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on Amazon, and I'll link everything that I show you down below just in case you want to get them too. So that's the first thing that I got. The second thing that I bought is, you guys know how much of a freak I am about my teeth. And so I bought this 6-pack of toothpaste, and actually found this toothpaste through another beauty blogger. Her name is Beauty by Anne Marie, and she has the whitest teeth. And so she did share this on one of her videos, and so it is the Plus White Extra, and so it says it removes tough stains, coffee, tea, and wine, and I'm definitely a coffee drinker, so I just thought that this would help keep my teeth white. It does not cause sensitivity. Not for me anyways, and some whitening toothpaste like especially the Colgate, oh man, that causes sensitivity, although it's really good. But this, I'm in love with this, and the only place you can get it is on Amazon. Normally I buy it in a 3-pack, but by buying the 6, I saved like $1. So I was like, we go through toothpaste anyway, so I just bought it. So that's the second thing. Okay, I might as well, since we're talking about teeth, I'm gonna talk about these Rembrandt whitening strips. And I've talked about these before. I got a sample in the Walmart box, my last Walmart unboxing that I got. But I already had tried them before, and I did get them off Amazon. I was looking for my Crest 3D white strips, and for some reason the kind that I was using I couldn't find anywhere, and then the one that they had was like $75, and I'm like, you're crazy, I'm not paying $75. So I found Rembrandt, and I tried they have like a 1-week whitening kit, and I tried their one, and I love it. I love the way the strips are. I'm gonna open one. So I bought this one. I think it's a 2-week kit, and it's like, I got mine for $19.99, I believe. So one strip comes in each package, and it looks like this. And you just peel it off and put it on your teeth just like any other whitening strip. But what I like is it's cut here, so you bend it over your teeth, and it just kind of hugs the curvature of your teeth. So I really love these. They don't seem to cause any sensitivity. So yeah, so this is the Rembrandt Custom Fit Whitening Strip. All right, and the next thing I got is a band for my eye watch. So I have this one right here, and it's pretty fancy, right? It's like rose gold, and it's got some diamonds there. But sometimes I'm like, okay, am I too fancy with my watch wristband? So I decided to get one that was more casual. I don't really like the one that it came with. So it looks like this. It's really pretty. It's like a peachy pink, and it's just like it almost feels rubberized, and it's really nice. So I'm gonna stick that on my watch soon, and this was, I believe, like $8.99, and it's the 42 millimeter, and I have the iWatch 3. I don't think that even matters, but all right. So next, you guys know that I'm in another beauty room, and so I had to leave my beautiful mirror behind. So I don't have a mirror, so I bought this one off Amazon, and it is kind of like a personal size, but it's really cool. It's like rose, they call it rose gold, but it looks more pink to me. And whoa, whoa, whoa. So it's like this. You'll see like that. And it does light up. So see where all those bulbs are? It's gonna light up. I think I have to put the batteries in, but so you have a 2 times, a 3 times, and right here is where you would turn it on and off. And you can also dim it if you want. So, and it comes with a stand as well. I mean, this mirror would be great for anyone. You know, if you don't have a big space and you just want to set it on your dresser or even your desk. So it comes with this here. There you go. Let's see if the batteries, there's no batteries in here. And it didn't come with batteries. So I have to put batteries in. But anyway, so I got this, and I believe it was like $25. Don't quote me, but I'll link it below, and they have all different colors. So in case you want to check this out or get one for yourself. So, okay. The last thing that I got, I had saved this in my Amazon wish list. But I'll say this, I found it at Costco. So on Amazon, I had saved it, and it was $89. At Costco, it was $60. So I had to buy it at Costco. So, and it is the T3, and it is the single pass straightening and styling iron, and it's in the 1 inch, and it is a white and rose gold, and it is absolutely beautiful. I've been using it to death. So I'll take this little plastic off. So let me show you. Okay, so you can either buy this on Amazon, or you could run, not walk to Costco. So it's got these cute little like crystals, and they're like peachy pink or rose gold, okay? And then it has T3 here, and then it has a dial right inside here, and then you just turn it on here. And it gets super hot or not. You can turn it down if it's too hot for your hair, and it just works really well. The T3 brand is awesome. You guys know I have the T3, the curling wand set, and I got that, I believe, for Christmas. So that was on what I got for Christmas. And this is normally like $189. So you can either pay like $89 on Amazon, or if they still have it in your Costco, run. So anyways, guys, that's what I got on Amazon. I'll link everything that I can find down below. If you have any questions, leave them down in the bottom bar. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you like these videos, if you like what I got from Amazon, give it a thumbs up, because I'm sure I'll be doing some more shopping. Or if you just like to see what I buy, give this video a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Aloha!